Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. This is Hello Harvest. I'll talk a little bit more about that further in the video. So let's jump into our first DIY. Now guys, I lost my footage. So this is where I'm starting from, okay? I got this wood round. This was a sign from summer, and I flipped it over and I'm using the back part. Now this pretty napkin, it's a harvest napkin, and what I did, I cut that in two, and it had a curly fancy edge, and I decided to use that part. Didn't take it off or anything. And this is a napkin. I'm just showing you what it looks like. So pretty, wouldn't you agree? And I cut that in two. I put one half at the bottom and the other at the top. And guys, I decoupaged. There are a lot of videos on my channel that shows you how I decoupaged. I then took this gold marker that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just outlined the curves on the napkin. This harvest sign is also from Dollar Tree, and I painted that with 2 coats of black ink, chalk paint. And for that middle part, I painted the entire board with plaster, and then that middle part, you saw me with the antique wax earlier. I just used a dried chippy brush and went across diagonally the middle part and give it that wood-like look. This is a bow that I already used, and I'm going to be reusing it. And then I took some boxwood pick and made a swag. And now I'm going to be gluing that on. I was so disappointed when there I go, just crafting away, only to realize that I had lost my footage. But anyway, I'm making do. So I glued that on, glue the bow on. And that is a piece of burlap trim that I had wrapped around the middle of the bow. And I'm going to glue that down. And I took a piece of brown paper that's from Dollar Tree and just used that to cover the back of the board. And then I took this sanding, sorry guys, I'm having hiccups. I took the sanding block and I'm sanding off the excess paper. And then here I'm going to be adding back the hanger. So I'm taking some of these beads that I got from Walmart. I strung 8 of them on a piece of butcher's twine, and then I glue that down and use a piece of the brown paper to just cover that. Oh, don't know where that hiccup came from. So, how are you all doing? Today is my 10th anniversary. I am so looking forward to our weekend. I was at the point of giving up on this challenge, but I so wanted to support the playlist. So I just decided to push through with what I had, and here we are. This is what it looks like. Guys, I love it. Love it so far. I love that napkin. It is so beautiful. And then I had this little leaf from a pack of wood set from Dollar Tree and gluing that on top of that. And then I took a piece of rope that I got from Temu and I added that around the border. And this one is done. Let me know what you think. So this is the Hello series, and this time we're doing Harvest. And this challenge is hosted by Tammy from the Rusted Willow and Ellie from DIY from House to Home. And this month we have Marla from the Chic Show DIY. So I'll leave their links in the description box below, as well as the playlist. Be sure to check them out when you get done watching my video and let them know I sent you. Now we're moving on to our DIYs number 2 and 3. So here I'm using another of this mini pizza board that I got from Woodpecker's Craft, and I gave that 2 coats of Waverly Celery chalk paint. And I then decided that I needed to paint the flip side in white, so I used the white acrylic paint for that. Gave that 2 coats as well. These are rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be applying that on the green side. So I'm just selecting the ones that I thought would look better on here. If you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. I had these rub-on transfers in my stash from last fall, and now I'm just trying to use up all of them for this year. And that is one of the reasons why I wanted to get this video in, because this playlist is still doing autumn. And here I selected this one that says Hello Autumn. I'm gonna rub that on as well. And I found that little space right there and rub that on. I didn't want to put anything else on this little sign because already it is a little overcrowded, as you can see. But like I said, I'm trying to use up these stickers, and now is the best time to use them, right? So now that that side is done, I flipped it over, and this is one of the rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree again. And this one says Hello Autumn, and this one you can put this one on glass or you can put it on board or wood. So I'm using it for wood. So there I was just trying to read the directions as to how to put this on, and it's basically easy. I peeled off the backing and then just eyeballed how I needed to put it down and then just start rubbing. Guys, don't forget the playlist. When you get done watching my video, just connect to the other videos from the playlist. I'll link that in my description as well as under the video. And then here I'm just applying some Mod Podge to both sides, and then I took a little antique wax and a sponge brush and I'm just distressing the edges just to cut down on the starkness. And then I added a piece of jute for hanging. And I made 2 small bows from gingham ribbon that I received from BB Craft, and a few little sprigs of boxwood pick just to add some greenery. Glued those on, dovetailed the ribbons, glued those on both sides. And then to cover that jute, I turned the end on the inside and then cut 2 small and cut a bead and painted it one side green, one side white, and glued that on just to cover up that opening. And DIYs number 2 and 3 are complete. Super cute. Love them. And here we are for the final reveal. Guys, let me know which one of these 3 DIYs today is your favorite. And don't forget the channels in the description box below. And if budget-friendly content like this one is your jam, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and also to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. And also give me a big thumbs up, like, comment and share, and let me know which one of these was your favorite today. And to keep watching, I suggest this video right here or even this playlist. And stay safe, my friends, until my next one. Bye.